Hey, what's going on everyone? I am Rob Richards and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you've been here before, you'll know that I have literally hundreds of workout and exercise related videos, all composed in playlists based on muscle groups. And if you're new to my channel, hey, check it out. Type my name in, Rob Richards, with a particular muscle group, abs, biceps, back or chest, and see dozens and dozens of workout videos. If you're watching this video, I know that you're interested in health and fitness and transforming your physique, whether it's putting on some muscle, losing some body fat, or just looking and feeling better all round. So I need your help with something. I'm putting together my first all-inclusive full training app. If you've seen from a couple of years ago, I've got a nutrition manual, Ultra Lean Nutrition Manual. It's everything I know about food. Well, I'm now doing the same for fitness. Everything I know about training, every muscle group, every exercise, everything. So I need your help in letting me know what it is that you want, whether it's more circuit-based stuff, at-home workouts, or just straightforward bodybuilding type routines. So my app is going to be available soon. Full workouts, mix and match, change your workout routine, view every exercise, all the corrective techniques in there, including full nutrition. So you can eat right and train right. And all I want from you is about 5 minutes of your time. I've included a link in this description below of this video. Click on it and just let me know what you want. Few questions. I would appreciate all your feedback, and I can't wait to launch this app. I'll let you guys know first, but like I said, it's gonna be everything. Workouts, exercise, database library. Pull it up out your phone, find exactly what you wanna train when you're in the gym, whether you've limited with machines, you've only got a bench and a couple of dumbbells, put together a whole routine just based on that. App is coming soon. It's going to be available on Android, iPhone, whatever smartphone you have, and also desktop version. I will let you know super soon. If you haven't already, subscribe, hit that notification button. You'll be aware of all of our new training videos and nutrition videos as they launch. Thank you, and check the description for the link below. I'll see you back here soon.